Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I'm so excited. It's time for me to do my 500 subscriber giveaway drawing, and I have decided instead of just doing one, I am going to do all three of these. So I will be drawing 3 names for these 3 items right here. The 500 is such a huge thing for me. I just want to give back to y'all, and this is fun. And my daughter is going to help me. She's actually going to be drawing the names for me, so you'll see her in just a second, or you'll see her hand in just a second. Neither one of us is too fond of getting on the camera. But before we do that, let's just take care of a little bit of housekeeping so everybody knows what's going on. The first name drawn will be the one to choose first from the 3 items. The second name drawn will choose from the 2 remaining items, and the third name drawn will receive the final item. If you are a winner, if you will please email me your address as soon as possible to creative, and that is with a K, .escapades@gmail.com, and I will get your package out to you the first part of next week. So if by chance I do not receive a response from one of the winners, or more than one of the winners, then by next Thursday we will do another drawing for a new winner on Friday the following, which is the 27th. So here's the email address that you'll need to send it to, and without too much further ado, let's get started. Again, I'm going to tell you real quick what each one of these are. This first one right here is a 12 by 12 Dutch pour in different shades of coral. Has violet in it, some green, yellow, and it's on a white background. And it has several layers of high gloss polyacrylic varnish on it. And then item number 2 is this 6-inch by 3.5-inch vase. It has been acrylic poured on it, resined, and then this mirrored inlaid on it. And the third piece is this freeform resin sculptured trinket dish, and it is in the different colors from Color Art, and it's inlaid with the different sizes of the acrylic little gemstones. Okay, here we go. So I have got all my subscriber names in there and cut all these little papers up, folded them real tiny. Gonna give them a little shake, and then my daughter is going to be ready to pull. And the first winner is, oh my gosh, here we go. Here's her hand, she's waving at y'all. Okay, now the first one is, I should put some dun 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 dun. She pulled 2 by accident. And oh my word, y'all are not going to believe this, because I can't believe it. Mixed media girl. Oh my word. I'm a little bit intimidated right now. Marcy Farrow, mixed media girl, is number 1 winner, so she will pull the first prize. And Marcy, I have your address, so just let me know which one you want. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. Okay, now we're ready for number 2. And she's stirring them around and kind of throwing them on the table a little bit, but we'll get them all back in there. Okay, the envelope, please. Winner number 2 is Anna Spradlin. I'm sorry y'all can't see that very well on my camera, but I will be putting her name in just a minute where you can see it. I don't know why my camera does this, but it does. So, Anna Spradlin, you are winner number 2. If you'll send me an email with your mailing address, then I'll be getting this out to you. And now, for winner number 3. The winner is... Y'all may wonder why I don't do this live. There is so much noise around here. I'm continually trying to shh, shh. So my daughter is stirring it. She's going to find us number 3. And that person is Kathleen Schaefer. I believe that's how you spell the last name. So Kathleen, if you will send me your address as soon as I hear from the other 2, then I will let you know which items left and get that right out to you also. So I want to take this time to tell every one of you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You make my channel happen, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Once again, winners, my email address is kreative.escapades@gmail.com. And if we do not hear from one of these or more than one of these by next Thursday, on Friday evening, I will do another drawing. And I said I would do it and post it, but there's a good chance that I might try to do it live. We'll see. But at any rate, until then, I want to thank y'all for joining me. I can't wait till I reach 1,000. We'll do this again. And can't wait for my next creative escapade. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.